on to Chapter 3, the unity of all life, modern interpretation for today's reader. Core idea: everything in the universe is connected. There's only one life, and that life is expressing itself through all things, including you. Separation is an illusion. In simple terms, you're not a separate little person trying to survive in a big, chaotic world. You are part of the world's very intelligence, part of the same power that grows trees, forms galaxies, and creates miracles. The big truth: there's only one thing happening: life. Holmes says there's just one mind, one spirit, one power, and everything and everyone is a unique expression of that one thing. You, me, a mountain, a wave, a puppy, all different faces of the same divine source. We are not connected like phone lines. We are connected the way waves are part of the ocean. There is no spot where life stops and something else begins. What this means for you: you're never really alone. You're not fighting against life, you're an expression of it. You have the same creative potential within you that created the universe. So why do we feel separate? Because our mind has been trained to think that way. We've been conditioned to believe in limits, divisions, and hierarchy. But deep down, that's not the truth. Underneath all the labels, there's only spirit being spirit. Imagine this. What if every time you looked at someone else, you remembered, that's another version of the infinite, just like me? That awareness changes how we love, forgive, and collaborate. It ends the us versus them game. Key takeaways: all life is one life. There's no real division between God, nature, and humanity. You are spirit in form. You are not a body with a soul. You are a soul expressing through a body. Unity is the ultimate truth. Even when we look different, act different, or believe different, our source is the same. Practice for the week. Affirmation: there is only one life, and that life is expressing perfectly through me now. Say this daily. Then look around and see that same life in a child's laughter, in a tree swaying, in a stranger's eyes. It's all one. Final thought: when we wake up to this unity, we stop judging, we start healing, and we step into our power. Life is one, and I am one with life. See you in the next video, where we explore Chapter 4, how to work with this one, infinite, creative power. Please like, share, and hit the bell for notifications. Peace to you all.